Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Felix Bliss. Today I'm going to show you how I created this Father's Day banner in Photoshop. Without much ado, let's start. So this is the dimension I use for my work. If you want to see, I will go to image, then image size. So if you want to follow along with these tutorials, this is the dimension 740 for the width and then 331 for the height. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add some shapes, then import my pictures, then we are done for this particular tutorial. So the first thing I will do is I'll create my background. So I'll go to solid color. Then I don't like this color, although it's nice, but I'm not going to use this color. Then I'll sample this color. So this one will be for the background, and then we add some shapes to it. So I will go to this side, and then I will create another rectangular shape. I have to drag this one to something like 30 is cool for me. So you can see that I'm using the ruler here. So if your ruler is not there, you go to view and then you check ruler, or you can press Ctrl Alt to show the ruler. So you have something like this. So I'm going to change this color. I like this color, I don't know why, but I'm not going to use this color again. So I will use this color to do that, and this color too is not bad, right? So if you want to see the color code for this particular color, this is it, hash E84A5F. okay, this color is very nice, so I'll use this color. Then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to create another shape. Okay, so that shape I'll go in for my pen tool. Okay, then I'll create another one. I'll create a point at something like 80. Okay, then I'll mark another one here, create another one here, create another one here. Then I have something like this. So you can see what I something like this. Then I will change the fill to 0 or nothing. Then I will change the stroke to white. Okay, so I will have this white stroke, and then I will increase the size maybe to something like 3. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this one here, then rotate it something like this is good for me. I don't need the whole rectangle, I need just a line. Okay, but I'm just using the rectangle to do that. You can use your pen tool to do that. Okay, so I have something like that. In Photoshop, any way you can use to create something, that's what we want. How you did it or whatever, we are not interested, but the results, that's what we are interested in it. So what I'm going to do next is look at something here. Let me hide the whole of this work. Okay, and then let me select my background again, and I'm going to, I almost forget, so I'll go to my desktop. Then texture, you can download it from online. Okay, so I'll just change the blending option for this texture to something like multiply. Okay, multiply is cool for me. Then I will turn the whole of this one on so that I have some. What I'm going to do here right now is I'm going to drag this shape under the texture I brought so that I can see the effects on that particular color as well. Okay, so from here I'm going to draw this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create this rectangular shape. I'll create this rectangular shape here. Okay, now you can see the position. You can see that this rectangular shape is under the texture. I don't want it to be that place, so I will drag it to the first layer here so that it will be on top. Then I will drag my mouse cursor here, then I will rotate it this way so that we get something like this. Okay, then okay, so from here what I will do next is I will make a copy of that shape. So Ctrl J for the shape, then I will change, press U, then I will hide the fill, and then I'll give a stroke of maybe 3. So let me set the stroke color to white, then increase the size to maybe 3. If you are not getting that, just type 3. Then I will stretch that one as well. Okay, but let's take it here. Okay, yeah, then like this. Okay, So I will just transform this one as well. So I get something like this. Okay, so from here we're almost done with our work. So I will select this particular shape. No, this one, the first one, not the white area, the first one. Then I'll go in and import my picture. Okay, then I'll bring it here like this. So I'll clip this one inside this particular work. Okay, good. So we have something like this. So from here, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add another shape. Okay, so I'll go for my pen tool. Okay, and then create a point here. Now I'll transform this particular shape. Okay, so I'll make a copy of that, then I'll transform that one, then I'll bring that one here. Okay, so from here what I'll do next is I'll make another copy of that one, then I'll bring it up here. But this time around I'm going to transform it, so I'll transform that one vertically like this, then I'll drag it up here like that. So this is the first part of our work. So we are done. Now we are going to add text to our work. So I will select the first layer so that the text will not be here, to be up on the work. So I will select the text and type Happy Father's Day. Then I will select everything and then I will change the size to 10. Good. 10 is too big for me, so I will change it to 8. Good. We have something like this. So I'll position this one here. So you can see that all my colors are moving together. Okay. Now I want to do some correction here before I continue with the text. You can see that this one, this particular shape, I'm going to give it a stroke. So press U, then I'll give it a stroke, and then I'll increase the stroke to maybe 2. Or it's cool. So I have something like this. Okay, good. Now I can go back to my Father's Day. So we have this one, Happy Father's Day, like this. Then we can write something small here, maybe a text message there. So I will write a paragraph text here. Okay, so to write a paragraph, just code and then create a shape with a text. Okay, then it will allow you to create a paragraph. So I will type like white. Then I will change the font from black to regular. Okay, then let me bring this one back, Legend and Warrior back, so that we have something like this. Okay, so simple like that. Okay, now it looks like this one, the way it is curved, I don't like it, so I'll go to the properties and then I'll remove that curve style there to 0. This one up. So this is a very simple way you can create Happy Father's Day banner in Photoshop. I hope you have enjoyed these tutorials, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.